Hi, this is Pedro Velasco, Roll-2-Roll Technologies. We want to show you one of our applications, which is retrofitting old web guides. In this case, we have a North American, and we just want to show you really quick how the things that we do in order to retrofit one of the North American web guides with our controller and with our actuator and sensor. So here we're showing you the assembly, as we have already done the retrofit of the actuator to the web guide assembly, which moves the top plate where the rollers are at. As you can see, here's our actuator with its threaded rod, and it's already connected to the raceway here. So we have actually replaced already the rest of the components of this, the previous actuator that it had. So it's a very simple application. We provide the plates and we provide the actuator. And of course we have it connected to a motor driver. This is a temporary motor driver, just for the sake of this presentation. So a complete retrofit, in this case for this guide, would be the actuator with its motor driver, our control unit, and a sensor, which depending on the application that our customer has, it could be a 48 millimeter sensor, or it could be a 221 millimeter sensor. So right now, just to show you more or less the final application, or all the connections already completed, we're just going to show you that we can jog already with our control. We can jog our motor in position. Furthermore, if I just place my hand to use as a material, a possible material, I'll just put it in automatic, and you can see how it moves the whole thing. So there you go. It's a pretty easy setup for us. So if you have an old web guide, such as a North American, and you want to do a retrofit, we can provide you with a retrofit kit. You can either install it, or in some cases you can send us a web guide to us and we can do the retrofit for you. So we hope this has been of information of use to you, and like I mentioned before, if you need any help with retrofitting an old web guide, you can contact us. More information, you can go to our